In this section, we're going to be solving inequalities by multiplying or dividing. So let's look at an example. We have 3x is greater than negative 27. You can treat this problem the same way you would treat a regular equation that would have an equal sign in between. So we want to start by isolating the variable, and the variable is x. So in order to do that, we have to divide the left side by 3. If we divide the left side by 3, we have to divide the right side by 3. 3x divided by 3 leaves us with 1x is greater than negative 27 divided by 3, which equals negative 9. Now, let's go to the number line, find negative 9, and it's an open circle because it's only greater than, not greater than or equal to, and because it's greater than negative 9, the line is going to go to the right. Now we're going to look at another example. We have 2/3 are less than 6. Again, we want to isolate the variable r. So in order to do that, we must multiply both sides by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 would give us 6 over 6, which is 1. So that would leave us with 1r. So 1r is less than 6 times 3 over 2, which is 9. So we start by finding 9 on the number line, putting an open circle because it's less than, not less than or equal to, and then drawing a line to the left because it's less than. Now we're going to look at multiplying or dividing by a negative number. In our first example, we have negative 8x is greater than 72. So we want to isolate the x again, just like a regular equation. In order to do this, we have to divide the left side by negative 8. And because we divide the left side by negative 8, we have to divide the right side by negative 8. The only difference in this problem is that when you divide or multiply a number on the opposite side of the sign by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. So as you can see, it becomes x less than 72 divided by negative 8, which is negative 9. And now we can graph this inequality, find negative 9 on the number line, put an open circle, and then draw a line to the left because it's less than. We're going to look at another example of this. Negative 3 is less than or equal to x over negative 5. In order to isolate the variable here, we have to multiply both sides by negative 5. When we multiply the right side by negative 5, the negative 5's become 1, leaving us with 1x. And when we multiply the right side by negative 5, we get a positive 15. Because we are multiplied by a negative number, the sign in the middle must be flipped. So we get positive 15 is greater than or equal to x. So x is less than or equal to 15. So first find 15 on the number line. We don't have a 15 on the number line, but when you find 15 on the number line, you have to color in a dark circle because it is less than or equal to, and then draw the arrow out to the left because it's less than.